So, let me ask you a simple question. Do you want to die?
Not really, actually. No, not really.
Of course you don't. And why should you? Why should anybody want to end up as a putrefying corpse in a wooden box stuck in the ground? Or burnt to a crisp with our ashes just strewn all over the Delaware water gap? No reason that I can think of. I have decided to dedicate my life to the study of death. I have. Do you know what I found? I think that death is nothing more than the direct result of boredom.
Boredom?
Boredom. Yep. Think about it. Your whole mind and your whole body has been doing the same goddamn job, the same dull, monotonous routine every day, every single day since the day you were born. You go to work, right? You eat, you sleep, repeat. Who wouldn't get bored, wouldn't you? Of course you would. So, at some point, you say, that's it. And then you, the unwary victim, becomes quite literally bored to death.
I never thought about it that way.
And then you die.